more face-to-face contact in communities of practice, and if it helps, if it hurts, or and so we heard one side of the spectrum, but you've had a different experience.
Yeah, most of the two communities of practice that I facilitate, well, one's a subgroup of the other. Both of them have come out of face-to-face meetings, basically officer groups in local government who have regular face-to-face meetings, about quarterly. But we come from sort of different areas of the countryside, so it's not always easy to get together. Quite often these meetings are quite short. You're travelling for a couple of hours for a meeting that's perhaps only lasts for maybe 2 hours. We get through a lot of material at those meetings, and quite often there's a lot of follow-up. And it's quite difficult then to look back in 3 months' time at what happened at those face-to-face meetings. And that's when the community of practice really comes into its own, because if you put a record, if you put the records and the materials that came out of those face-to-face meetings on the communities of practice, that in itself can actually then spark conversations on the community of practice in the online community. But also it gives you a research library to go back over material that perhaps wasn't relevant to you at the time, but may be relevant 3 months down the line. And you know then who was talking about those particular topics, who you can actually talk to. You can start up a new conversation online and perhaps go into more depth into the topic that you discussed 3 to 6 months ago. So it's a very useful supplement to those face-to-face meetings and a means of developing ideas that were sparked from those meetings.
Anna, can I ask you?
Yeah, of course.
Do you know what percentage of members of that community actually engage in the online community? Have you got any benchmark figure?
At the moment it's quite small. It's probably only about 10% of the people who attend the meetings who have actually taken any activity, involved in any activity in the online communities. In the benchmarking group that I belong to, which I don't facilitate, it's obviously much higher because all of the activity comes from that field.
Right. Thank you.